let's take your Travis picking from 0 to hero in 5 minutes. If you like what you're learning, stick around after the lesson. There's a bonus lesson. All right, the first step to Travis picking is getting your thumb under control. P is for thumb, 5th and 4th string only, just alternating. We're going to use A minor as our chord. So our root is on the 5th string, and we're alternating between the 5th string and the 4th string. A, E, A, E. Now you're going to spend an hour doing this. Then you're going to add your index finger on beat 2, the and of beat 2. You're going to go thumb, thumb, and. All right? So, right here, you are going to add an index finger. Index finger. It's going to go like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then you're going to add your middle finger on the and of beat 3. Middle finger on the and of beat 3. That's going to sound like this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Your thumb is just keeping that steady beat going. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Spend an hour doing that. Then, P-I-M-A, you're going to add your A finger on beat 1. A is your ring finger. It's going to pinch on beat 1 with your thumb. So you'll do this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2. Now I'm moving my fingers out of the way so you can see this pinch. You don't really want to move your fingers that much. You just keep them right there. I'm not moving my hand all over the place, right? I'm keeping my hand pretty locked down. I'm actually very lightly touching right behind my bridge. But anyway, 2 and 3 and 4. That's the basic Travis picking pattern. Now, to take it up a level, we're going to make our thumb go 5th, 4th, 6th, 4th. So we get kind of this alternating 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Same picking pattern with your fingers, right? You've got your index on the and of beat 2, you've got your middle finger on the and of beat 3, and you've got your ring finger on beat 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now you can take any chord, like A minor, scoot it up as a barred chord, getting that 6th string also. There's D minor, A minor. You get that under your belt. Take your time doing it. Do it with a C chord. When you do it with a C chord, you just have to get your 6th string 3rd fret G bass note. So I've got that. Or you can alternate with this finger. All right. You take each step slowly and surely and you will be a Travis picking hero in no time. All right, have a great week. Bye-bye. All right, so I guess you liked what you saw earlier, so you would like the little bonus lesson. Here's a little idea for you to do. If you've got this on A minor, and you can move it to a D minor, here's an A minor on the 5th fret, 5th, 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 7th, same picking pattern as the second picking pattern here, right? 1, 2, and 3, and 4. But I've got this top part barred at the 5th fret, 7th fret, and then the open 5th string, open 6th string. All right. Then a really cool thing to do with this pattern, you could take like your A minor full barred chord, A minor, G major, F, E. And instead of doing 5th, 4th, 6th, 4th, I'm doing 6th, 4th, 5th, 4th, because I'm on the 6th string root. Another thing you could do is just slide your A minor chords around. So you have this. Oops, sorry. All right. Then, move stuff around. Try learning a song using that Travis picking pattern, and all you'll have to do is switch what root you're on. Whether you're 5-4-6-4 or you're 6-4-5-4. Right, you always want that root note to be on beat 1. All right. Hope this helps. I'm going to play around a little bit. Let's see.